You can't lead by sitting still. That's why at Fel-Pro Gaskets, we're always looking out for the next sealing innovation. Whenever installation problems show up in the repair environment, the Fel-Pro team finds ways to help permanently seal them, keeping professional technicians top of mind throughout the process.
The Fel-Pro innovation philosophy is a mindset of continual improvement. We challenge ourselves and our thought processes to find better ways to design and manufacture parts.
Our innovation mindset begins and ends with a professional technician. It's always our goal to solve technicians' problems and give them everything they need to do their job.
That's why we developed breakthrough sealing solutions like PermaDryPlus to stop leaks, PermaTorque MLS with a proprietary coating that works with rougher surface finishes, and the LaserWeld stopper layer technology to prevent gasket blowout while keeping a strong combustion seal.
The drive for improvement never stops. By questioning existing designs, proactively forecasting needs, and creatively solving problems, Fel-Pro engineers are always creating newer, better sealing solutions.